Have an exciting refresh today with this Dorian V35CNCgt gang tool. It's got a little bit of buildup over the years, and we're gonna go ahead and remove all the set screws and run it for a cleanse and ultrasonic cleaner. What's going to be really nice about that ultrasonic cleaner is it's going to get in the coolant channel and remove any buildup. Just removing some set screws here. Found out that I had to use a metric on this coolant channel, and 7/32 on all these other ones. So we have all the set screws out on this Dorian gang tool. Set screws are here with shavings in various conditions. This is the block. So we'll look down the coolant channel. Some crud in there, but not as much as I thought we would. But throughout, we got chips in the chamber and chips in the bore. So we'll be back with you once we get it rinsed off and it takes a dip in the ultrasonic cleaner. Making old things beautiful again. And she's back together.